Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look at using the distributive property. Okay, so let's just say I had an x, and then let's just say we have y plus z. Now, I like to think of the distributive property like you're playing cards, and when you're playing a card game and you give the same number of cards to everybody, you are distributing the cards to all the players. Well, that's what we have to do here. And I'm going to get a different color to work with this. The X is the card that's being distributed, and the Y and the Z are the players. So I have to give an X to the Y and to the Z. In other words, I'm multiplying them. So I take x times y, which when variables are different and you're multiplying them, you just write them next to each other. So we have xy. Then x times z, I write down the plus that was in between, okay, and that gives me xz. And that was it. That's pretty nice. Let's do one more, okay? What if I'm going to distribute a 2 and I have here 3x plus 4, okay? Now, what I have to do is distribute the 2. So the 2 is like my cards, and the 3x and the 4 are like my players. Now, if this had a minus in the middle, it would work the same way. You just keep the minus in the middle, okay? So, distributing my 2, I take 2 times 3x, which gives me 6x, and then 2 times 4 gives me 8. And since there was a plus 4, I put plus and my 8. If that were a minus, I would say minus 8. But it's not, it's a plus, so I have to keep the plus. That's not bad at all. So these are pretty nice. We're going to do one more, and that will be it. And it's just going to be a great big one. So let's see. What if I had 5 times x squared minus 3x plus 4? Okay. Well, I'm going to distribute my 5. So my 5's like my cards, and the x squared minus 3x and plus 4 are like my players. So I distribute the card to all my players. So I've got to give this to all 3. So I'm just going to write it, how about like below it? Okay, so 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times negative 3x is minus 15x. And then 5 times 4 plus 20. And there you have it. So remember, what was originally a negative stays a negative. What was originally a positive stays a positive. Now, the only time signs would change is if this number out front were a negative. Then it would change the sign of everything inside. Okay? So enjoy, have fun with these, and if this has helped you, remember to like and follow.